West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee made a surprise visit to the doctors at the Swasthya Bhavan protest site. This comes days after she was given the cold shoulder by the protesting doctors and was left alone at the negotiating table. Now, during today's surprise visit, Mamata Banerjee urged the protesting doctors to return to work as many people are losing their lives. She also stated that the state will not take any coercive action against the doctors or any medical staff.
অনেক কষ্ট পেয়েছেন আর কষ্ট না করে যদি আপনারা কাজে ফিরতে চান আমি আপনাদের প্রতিশ্রুতি দিচ্ছি আপনাদের ডিমান্ডগুলো আমি কথা বলে সহানুভূতির সাথে আমি স্টাডি করব আমি অফিসারদের সাথে কথা বলবো আপনাদের ডিমান্ডগুলো আমি ভাববো আমি চিন্তা করব যদি কেউ দোষী হয় তিনি নিশ্চয়ই শাস্তি পাবেন এবং আমি চাই তিলোত্তমার বিচার হোক আমি সিবিআই কে অনুরোধ করব যত তাড়াতাড়ি বিচার হোক এমনকি 3 মাসের মধ্যে তারা যেন ফাঁসির অর্ডার দেয়।
And now listen into what the doctors had to say in response.
सबसे पहला कि सीएम मैम खुद यहाँ पे आई, हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हमारे एटलीस्ट प्रोटेस्ट साइट पे आई, वो हमारे साथ खड़ी हुई, ये बहुत अच्छा लगा। और हमारा कहना यही है कि अभी भी मैम मतलब हम लोग खुद चाहते हैं कि पेशेंट की इलाज जो भी है वो करने जाएं, इसके लिए मैम से बात करना हम लोग भी चाह रहे हैं। जो भी लाइव टेलीकास्ट वगैरह वाला कंडीशन है उसके साथ जो हमारा 5 दावी है, जो हमारा 5 डिमांड है, वो 5 डिमांड मिलने के बाद ही हम इस प्रोटेस्ट साइट से हटेंगे, उससे पहले हम इस प्रोटेस्ट साइट से नहीं हटेंगे। हमारा प्रोटेस्ट अभी भी चलता रहेगा जब तक हमारा वो 5 दावी फुलफिल नहीं हो जाता तब तक।
मूवमेंट तो चलेगा। देखिए सीएम आया था तो हम लोग बैठना चाहते हैं, हाँ ये हम लोग बोला, हम लोग तो चाहते हैं ये जो डेडलॉक है सिचुएशन कटे, तो हम लोग बैठना चाहते हैं। तो 5 जो डिमांड है इस लेके हम लोग बैठना चाहते हैं।
उनकी जेस्चर में क्या कहेंगे आप, वो चल के आए इतने दिन बाद यहाँ पर?
तो ठीक है, वी वेलकम दिस, वो आए हैं पर हम लोग का जो 5 डिमांड है वो सुनना चाहिए।
And the chorus for justice for Devi continues to grow, with the demand for safety at the workplace being echoed alongside. Meanwhile, talking about the probe aspect, a Kolkata court has denied the CBI's plea to conduct a narco-analysis on prime accused Sanjay Roy. This comes after Roy refused to give his consent after his lawyer said that even a narco test can be believed to not have any life risk. Chances of going back to normal life are slim after the test is conducted. Crossing over to my colleague Shreya to bring us more at this point. Shreya, we've just listened into what the West Bengal Chief Minister had to say, also to a few of the responses by the doctors. One of the big takeaways from that speech earlier today at Swasthya Bhavan is that she's requesting the doctors to return to work.
Well, of course, we see Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee pays a surprise visit to the doctors who are protesting in Swasthya Bhavan. Remember, today is the day 5 of the protest. Now, it is very important to note that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, what she was trying to say necessarily is that she is a team player. She also said something very important, that she is not going to take action against these junior doctors who are protesting here. Remember, they have clearly defied the Supreme Court's instruction to join work, and that period is long over. Now, even after the state tried, to meet the doctors to find a common ground and a discussion and a solution, but these junior doctors, they did not, do the meeting last time because they could not come to the common ground. They could not come to the common ground about a live telecasting. So that was the 3rd consecutive failed meeting between the state and the junior doctors. So Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today necessarily pleads to the doctors, says that I will take care of all the corruption. There will be investigation. I will listen to all your demands. I'm here not as the Chief Minister, but as your elder sister. Now, after that, we saw that the junior doctors have appreciated that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee have come here. In fact, a GB meeting, a general body meeting is underway. As we speak now, after the general body meeting, it will be clarified if the doctors are going to meet the Chief Minister today or not. Because remember, last time the meeting could not happen because they could not agree about a live telecast. Let me go across to some of the doctors who are here and try to understand what they have to say. आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? We saw the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today came here. It was a bit of surprise. How are you looking into it?
Yeah, we are very glad that she came, but we are disappointed at the same time that she came and just gave her opinion, and she is not calling us there, and she is not listening us. That's the main issue here. She is not listening. She is not ready to listen us only. So we are expecting that she will call us and she will listen to our representatives, and then she will give her opinion.
Last time we saw that the meeting could not happen between the doctors and the state because live telecasting was the issue. What if the state does not agree to live telecasting today? Will the meeting happen?
We are still requesting her, and we are expecting that she will allow live telecasting, as there is no law forbidding us to do the live telecast. So we are still expecting her to allow us live telecasting.
So of course you can hear from the doctors, they are saying that they are still expecting that the state government will allow a live telecast and they will be able to have a dialogue with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. They also say when the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee came here, she did not listen to the doctors. We saw huge justice slogans that the doctors were giving here while Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was there. Remember, right now our GB meeting is underway, and let us see if the doctors are going to meet the Chief Minister today, and if there is a meeting, can the deadlock finally end today?
West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee made a surprise visit to the doctors at the Swasthya Bhavan protest site. This comes days after she was given the cold shoulder by the protesting doctors and was left alone at the negotiating table. Now, during today's surprise visit, Mamata Banerjee urged the protesting doctors to return to work as many people are losing their lives. She also stated that the state will not take any coercive action against the doctors or any medical staff.
আপনারা অনেক কষ্ট পেয়েছেন, আর কষ্ট না করে যদি আপনারা কাজে ফিরতে চান, আমি আপনাদের প্রতিশ্রুতি দিচ্ছি, আপনাদের ডিমান্ডগুলো আমি কথা বলে সহানুভূতির সাথে আমি স্টাডি করব, আমি অফিসারদের সাথে কথা বলবো, আপনাদের ডিমান্ডগুলো আমি ভাববো, আমি চিন্তা করব। যদি কেউ দোষী হয় তিনি নিশ্চয়ই শাস্তি পাবেন, এবং আমি চাই তিলোত্তমার বিচার হোক। আমি সিবিআইকে অনুরোধ করব যত তাড়াতাড়ি বিচার হোক, এমনকি 3 মাসের মধ্যে তারা যেন ফাঁসির অর্ডার দেয়।
And now listen into what the doctors had to say in response.
सबसे पहला कि सीएम मैम खुद यहाँ पे आई, हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हमारे एटलीस्ट प्रोटेस्ट साइट पे आई, वो हमारे साथ खड़ी हुई, ये बहुत अच्छा लगा। और हमारा कहना यही है कि अभी भी मैम मतलब हम लोग खुद चाहते हैं कि पेशेंट की इलाज जो भी है वो करने जाएं। इसके लिए मैम से बात करना हम लोग भी चाह रहे हैं। जो भी लाइव टेलीकास्ट वगैरह वाला कंडीशन है उसके साथ जो हमारा 5 दावी है, जो हमारा 5 डिमांड है, वो 5 डिमांड मिलने के बाद ही हम इस प्रोटेस्ट साइट से हटेंगे। उससे पहले हम इस प्रोटेस्ट साइट से नहीं हटेंगे। हमारा प्रोटेस्ट अभी भी चलता रहेगा जब तक हमारा वो 5 दावी फुलफिल नहीं हो जाता तब तक।
मूवमेंट तो चलेगा। देखिए सीएम आया था तो हम लोग बैठना चाहते हैं, हाँ ये हम लोग बोला, हम लोग तो चाहते हैं ये जो डेडलॉक है सिचुएशन कटे, तो हम लोग बैठना चाहते हैं। तो 5 जो डिमांड है इस लेके हम लोग बैठना चाहते हैं।
उनकी जेस्चर में क्या कहेंगे? आप वो चल के आए इतने दिन बाद यहाँ पर,
ठीक है, वी वेलकम दिस, वो आए हैं, पर हम लोग का जो 5 डिमांड है वो सुनना चाहिए।